The Saola, also called spindlehorn, Asian unicorn, or infrequently, vu quan bovid, is one of the world's rarest large mammals, a forest-dwelling bovine native to the Annamite range in Vietnam and Laos. There are less than 250 Saolas left in the world. Saolas typically measure around 85 to 120 centimeters in height at the shoulder. This measurement gives an indication of their overall stature and how tall they stand. Exact weight information for Saolas is not widely available. However, it is estimated that they weigh between 80 to 100 kilograms. Keep in mind that these figures can vary between individuals. It's important to note that Saolas are sexually dimorphic, meaning that males and females can have slightly different sizes. However, the differences in size between male and female Saolas are not significant compared to some other species. Saolas have a slender and compact body shape, with a narrow chest and a slightly arched back. Their coat is dense and consists of short, coarse hair. The coloration varies throughout the year. During the summer, their coat is generally reddish-brown, while in winter, it tends to be darker and grayer. The most distinct feature of the Saola is its long, straight horns. These horns can grow up to 50 centimeters in length in both males and females. The horns are slender and taper to a sharp point. The Saola's horns are unique among bovids, as they are backward curving and can be used for defense or territorial disputes. Saolas have a white or creamy white marking on their face, which extends from the forehead down to the muzzle, forming a V or heart-shaped pattern. This white marking is bordered by dark coloration, which gives the Saola a striking and distinct appearance. They have slender and relatively long legs, which aid them in moving swiftly through the dense forests of their habitat. It is believed that Saolas have a lifespan of around 10 to 15 years in the wild. In captivity, Saolas have not been successfully kept or bred, making it difficult to determine their lifespan under human care. The complex dietary and habitat requirements of Saolas pose challenges for their captivity and conservation efforts. Saolas are primarily solitary animals, meaning they typically live and forage alone. They are rarely observed in groups or herds. They are predominantly active during the early morning and late afternoon, which is known as crepuscular activity. They may also exhibit nocturnal behavior, being more active at night. Saolas are incredibly elusive and shy, which makes them difficult to study and observe in their natural habitat. They have developed a keen sense of awareness and are known to be extremely cautious and alert, making it challenging for researchers to approach them closely. Saolas are well adapted to living in the dense forests of the Annamite range. They are skilled at navigating through rugged terrain and can move swiftly through the vegetation. They may exhibit territorial behavior, marking their territories with glandular secretions or by scraping the ground with their hooves. Males may engage in territorial disputes, potentially using their long, backward curving horns during conflicts. Based on general observations and some reports, Saolas are known to produce several vocalizations. Saolas may emit snorting sounds, which are short, forceful exhalations of air through their nostrils. Snorts can serve as an alarm call or a warning signal to potential threats. Saolas may produce bleating sounds, like the vocalizations made by other bovids. These bleats are often described as high-pitched or nasal calls. Bleats may serve as a form of communication between individuals or as a means of expressing distress or searching for mates. Saolas might produce low-pitched grunting sounds. These grunts may be associated with different contexts, such as territorial disputes or social interactions. Saolas have been observed stomping their feet on the ground, creating a rhythmic thumping sound. This behavior may serve as a warning signal or a way to communicate with other Saolas in the vicinity. Saolas feed on a variety of vegetation, including leaves, fruits, flowers, and grasses. They are known to consume a diverse range of plant species available in their habitat. Saolas are browsers, which means they selectively feed on leaves, shoots, and tender parts of plants. They use their mobile lips and long tongues to pluck leaves and other plant material. They may also forage for fallen fruits or nuts on the forest floor. The exact plant species Saolas consume can vary depending on the availability and seasonality of food in their habitat. They may feed on a variety of tree species, shrubs, and grasses found in the forests of the Annamite range. While specific information on Saolas' water intake is limited, like most animals, Saolas likely obtain a portion of their hydration from the moisture content in the vegetation they consume. They may also seek out water sources such as streams or pools in their habitat. Saolas are believed to exhibit a seasonal breeding pattern, meaning they have specific periods of the year when mating and reproduction are more likely to occur. The exact timing of their breeding season is not well known, but it is thought to be influenced by environmental factors such as food availability and favorable weather conditions. During the breeding season, male Saolas may compete for access to females. This competition can involve displays of dominance and territorial behaviors. Male Saolas have long, backward curving horns that they may use during conflicts or displays to establish their dominance and attract females. The gestation period, or the time between fertilization and birth, in Saolas is estimated to be around 7 to 8 months. After the gestation period, a female Saola gives birth to a single calf. The newborn Saola is likely to be well hidden in dense vegetation, as Saolas are known to be secretive and protective of their young. Like many other bovine species, Saola females are expected to provide maternal care to their offspring, ensuring their protection and nourishment. The calf likely remains close to the mother and relies on her milk for sustenance in the early stages of its life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.